Hey, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background on Adobe Express. So after watching this video, you are able to do these things. So first of all, I'm going on Adobe Express. You need to log in here. Just open up a design you want to. So I open a design here. Then aspect ratio original. I select original. You can select any others. Wow, this is my image. So I want to remove background. Just click on this image, then click on remove background. Just click on remove background, then wait few seconds. Wow, you can see it's really good working. So if I zoom here, you can see no line, blur line and anything have here. So I really like Adobe this picture. So if you want to download this image from here, just click on this download menu, then select your format JPG, PNG, PDF. So if I download PNG, just click on download button. So it's working right now. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.